January 24th. Mr. Murillo is going to give a shout out for third period class.
Yeah, this is the best class ever.
You heard it, YouTube. Okay, so yesterday we did numbers 1 through 3. Today we're going to do 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're actually skipping a few because I don't want to give you nightmares and deal with the negative exponents. We're only doing positive exponents, and you'll see what I mean right now. But everyone look at number 4. 64 to the 1/2 power. Are you sure? Let's see. What does this translate into in terms of a radical? Murillo, hit it. So let's translate this into a radical. Let's rewrite it using our logical rules from yesterday. Nice. This will be square root of 64, parentheses, to the first power. Right, it shouldn't even be there. It's not professional to put the first power, so that's not needed. So it's really 64 to the 1/2 power really means the square root of 64, which means 8. Beautiful. We didn't even have to use a calculator for that one. That was too easy. So everything to the first power, when you have a numerator of the first power, it's no need to raise it to that power. It's bad manners. Someone besides Murillo, give me number 2. How would I retranslate this into a power? Or actually a root? Someone besides Murillo. Thank you, Murillo. Beautifully said. Cube root of negative 27. Notice the denominator becomes the index of your root. So cube root of negative 27, Hernandez, hit it. You're on the calculator, right? Okay, got you. So let's do it. One more time. Negative 3. So you type this in your calculator, cube root of negative 27, you should get negative 3. We're rocking and rolling. We are rocking and rolling in the Munguia's class. One more time. Yeah, that's negative 27 to the 1/3 power, yes. Moving right along. Number 6 now. Okay, can someone tell me how does this relate to a root now? Fifth root, oops. Fifth root of 32, very good, Gonzalez. Nice, fifth root of 32. There's your index to the 7th power. Go ahead and practice typing that puppy in there. Go ahead and let me know when you're done. Morano, you're with me, right? Cool. $128 sounds good to me. If anyone doesn't object, it's 128. Negative or positive? Cool. So far, so good. Number 7, we're going to skip because that has a negative exponent, which we're going to address tomorrow. I don't want to give you any nightmares. Let's skip number 7. Save that for tomorrow. Let's go to number 8. Hernandez, can you give me the root, what this translates into in terms of a root? Close. Let's do the root now. What kind of root? Square root, cube root, fourth root, fifth root, fifth root, exactly. So the fifth root, there's your index of 32, of negative 32 rather, to the what power? We're rocking and rolling. Type that puppy in there. Negative 8 sounds good to me unless anyone objects. Argument. No, I'm just kidding. It's a very poor argument. All right, we're skipping 9 again because I don't want to give you nightmares. I want you to get some good sleep tonight. We're going to go on to number 10, Moreno. Moreno, hit it. Give me the root for this puppy. What's the root? Give me the index of the root first. Fernandez, let him. He's a big boy. kind of root, though? Give me the root. Help them out, Martin. What kind of root for number 10? What would be the index of the root for number 10?
81.
That would be the radicand. But what would be the root, the index of the root? Yeah, it's the fourth root. So that would be the index. It's the fourth root of 81. There's your radicand. And now the exponent would be third power. Type that puppy in. 27 sounds good to me if anyone objects. We'll see. Questions so far? You starting to get the hang of it, Fuentes, a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try number 11. Try this one, Fuentes, could you? Or no? Give it a stab.
I know what to do. The problem is that I don't know how to place the numbers.
Okay, that's fine. Give me a second then. Hernandez, hit it. Open parenthesis. So how do we say that? Root. Fourth root. So 2 is square root, 3 is cube root, 4 is fourth root of. Good. Okay, so if it's just like that, then there's no parentheses needed, but you're right, that's fine. So here we go, fourth root of 625. 5 sounds good to me. 5 sounds good to me. Yikes. What's up with this? Yeah, it's all just, okay. So fourth root of 625 is 5. At this point now, you guys are going to go do a credit check. You guys have your stamp sheet in front of you. You're going to take a hard look at where you're at in my class and how many stamps are you're behind, and you're going to give me a small game plan. You'll fill out the form and send it to me. I give you thumbs up or thumbs down, and once I give you thumbs up, you go on to your assignments or maybe a quiz you owe me. Make it happen. Take about a minute to take a stretch and check your social media if you're a social media fiend. Otherwise, Fuentes, give me one light. Morales.